Today I'm going to be reviewing Goods portable AM FM radio. I'd like to thank Goods for sending this to me to review. Comes in this new cyan color, has a bunch of other different colors. It's really tiny. So to get an idea of how small it is, here's a pen. All right. You can see it's pretty tiny, not very thick. Here's my hand so you can see it. It's nothing that special, but it is a nice little radio. A lot of people forget when we lose our power or anything like that, to have something that runs on batteries, and this does run on two AA's. It does not come with that, so keep that in mind. To have something like this to listen to what's going on if there's a tornado or some other event, probably a good idea, and these aren't even that expensive. Just give you a little close-up there. That's what it looks like. There is the side there, just all the normal stuff, AM, FM, volume, and easy tuning. This is an Amazon choice. And last month, this sold over 200 plus in October of 2025. It does really well. 4.4 stars, 2,800 reviews. There you go. I hope this review helps you, and I'll see you next time.